Yo, what's up?
All right.
So we just arrived to the biggest traditional market in Bali
Denpasar,
so far.
in Denpasar. So this is called Pasar Badung,
Pasar Badung.
So I will go shopping here.
And we will show you around. This is a really busy place to compare to some other places. Check this out.
All right. So we are in Jalan Gajah Mada. So this is the center of Denpasar. So we are going to the biggest market in Bali actually, yeah. It is in Jalan Gajah Mada, Denpasar. Let's see how busy and how crowded it is in Denpasar. So first of all, we need to find a car park.
Interesting fact is there's many floors on this market, outside, inside, and also they have here
And also, you know, like they selling the fresh meat.
fresh meat.
Yeah.
Yo, what's up? They're selling fresh meat, everything.
So the first floor, they selling the fresh meat.
This is just the entrance level, and this market is open all day long.
Yeah, and then let's go up.
Whoa, they even have they have even the stairs like in the mall. So cool. Cool eggs.
All right, so I decided to buy one crate of eggs. So it's much cheaper than in the supermarket. So one crate is 40. All right, this lady just came to me and then she asked me for lifting my stuff. So whenever we just arrive in the car park, and then she just you know, approaching me, and then she said she just want to be the lifter of the stuff. So yeah, that's good.
So cool.
Berapa? Ringan. Yeah. So this is the unique thing or the traditional thing whenever you go to the biggest market in Denpasar, in a traditional market. So the lady who will, what is it? Will come to you and then, you know, ask for bringing all of your stuff. Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Makasih. So that's super cool, very unique, and look, this lady, she carry everything on the head. We just bought the eggs right now, but for sure we will buy something more. But this is the traditional way how is working the stuff in this market, and for her it's just her work, and if we renting her, we are just support her life, which is super cool.
Oh ya, nas madu termenten, nggak ada. Belum kan nas madu kalau.
Fruit, veg.
Nanti nas madu. Itu sih ibu deh. 5.000. So this one is 5K. Terima kasih Bu.
5,000 rupee for the beautiful pineapple.
Nyari kerapa. Membahas kalih mantan. Aduh, nak balik yang
So this is the stairs. This is very nice market because it's in the building, and as you can see over there is the rainy. Maybe you cannot see, but it's very big rainy. And that's how it's making the shopping in the biggest market in Bali. They have literally everything over here.
15.000. Siki, aneh becian apa pilihanmu? Ampun,
Negotiations. But at least it's not really bullet price here, so it's okay.
Ask for small money because there is no karus. Like the first time, you know, she just opened.
Okay.
So I bought a watermelon, and then sayang Bu.
Okay, what next?
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't know. Alon-alon. So let's buy tomato.
tomato. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, it's this big rain over here. I show you now. And as you can see, this is area. There is the another. This is the art market over there. This is the river. some other market area, stuff like this. So cool. Oh, nice tomato. Check this out.
So they are the experts. So you know, lucky that she came to me.
Because she also helping you. This lady also help you to choose the best product. Not only to carry this, but also she know where is the
Highly recommend.
highly recommended. So cool. Oh, check this out, this chili. So fresh.
Ni kan mantan kuda buat ada
10.000 cantik. Ada, ni nah. Apa junjung?
Niki ibu.
Ya. Ya, cuma. Ada.
Ada ya bu.
Check this out. How it's work. Okay. Very nice. Many stuff over here. Now is the section where is actually many warungs closed. Maybe they go for chill little bit. I mean, take a rest.
Yeah.
But yeah, what honey we need to buy more?
I think that's all.
All right, all right. We will see. We will see. We will explore more of the market.
Okay, let's go.
Here you can buy also kind of teas, oil, many things. Actually, everything what is I be able to buy here. I mean, in Bali you can buy here. Yes, honey?
Yeah. Right, so we will go to the third floor. Let's see what people sell in the third floor.
This is the Lantai Tiga, which is third floor, and here is the chippy area.
Oh, they sell it, the
Snacks, chips, cassava, peanut,
peanuts,
sweets, everything, whatever you wish to have. They have everything. Belina snack.
yeah, rengginang. So this snack that we use it whenever we put it in the offerings.
Also so many chips for the kilos, everything. Peanuts, rice chips, whatever it's called.
Yeah,
Offerings, accessories,
yeah.
everything.
Yeah, very nice.
Very nice. Maybe some big bag of krupuk, chips. Really, a lot of gear. And also they cook even something here. Even sunglasses if you wanna sunnies. Everything in the same place. And even some gold accessories. Everything. Really, everything is just in one entire market.
I wanna buy tipat cantok. Okay, so this is how the tipat cantok make it. Yum 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 yum. So this is tipat cantok. It's like Balinese gado-gado. So whenever you go to the third floor in the Pasar Badung, this is how they make a Balinese pecel or tipat cantok.
So cool, yeah?
So good. So that's with the sticky rice, with the tofu, with the cucumber, with the beans, peanut sauce. So good. Kecap, kayun. All right. One.
Thank you.
So this one 8K and then 2 kerupuk 10K. So cheap. Let's go.
Let's go.
Ini Bu. Ya.
Oh.
Ready. All right, I already done shopping. Now it's time to go home because it's very big rain. So yeah, let's go there. And
Hello.
there's so many people.
Spices.
Onion.
This is the sounds of the market. The guy sleep here, tired. And this is, oh my god.
Alright, so now I would like to ask some question to the lovely lady who helped me to bring all of my stuff. Ibu, saking napi?
Paguyangan, Bu.
Oh, so she is coming from Paguyangan. Ibu, in one day, how much money that you get? Dalam satu hari ni kah kuda ni kah boleh, Bu?
Kenton. Kadang-kadang 50, rame, kadang-kadang lain. Kadang-kadang 20.
Oh, Kenton. Yeah. Tak tentu eh? Nggak tentu. Yeah. Oh, sukses Ibu.
As you can see, it's really big rain now. Oh. I need to get to the car. Oh. And this is how it looks. She will also.
Udah jangan di tengahnya.
Oh.
Bapak tak perlu.
Dan kenapa honey you get it?
Okay.
Nah, handphone.
Right, so it's very big rain.
Oh my god. I'm so, happy that Ibu helped me to bring my stuff. Even at the beginning, like, she is so shy. Because
Yeah.
I'm with Damian going, like, she is little bit like, Ibu, and he keep like...
Not many bullets in this area, like foreigners like me, white, right? But this is very local place. It's very...
Yeah. So, when I did interview and then when I finished interview, I asked her, Ibu, how much people, pay you for one time lifting all the groceries? 10K, 20K, something like that. And
Yeah.
then I feel like, yeah, and then I asked, how do you survive, And then, yeah, nowadays not many people want me to bring in the stuff and everything. So yeah, she got less money, and then I said, yeah, so then I just pay her around 200K. I hope that 200K can help her to buy rice and food, because she had
Yeah.
3 children that she said.
Just to
And
help her
she
in her
is-
life, how
And
is it?
then she said that she has 3 children, and then she is the only one breadwinner, the only one who earn money and support the family. So yeah, I feel sorry for that. I hope that money really helps her. Yeah, so
How much you pay for the shopping? For this shopping actually?
oh my god, this is really, this one,
So
one
many.
crab egg 40K, this one 20K, this one 10K, and the tomato is 10K. Oh my god.
Actually, it's
So
very cheap, very cheap.
Very cheap.
Actually, we also save some money on the shopping here, so it's good to
Yeah.
help others. It's very huge rain. I think we're gonna go home because
Yeah.
we cannot.
So yeah, we plan to show you more on this area, and luckily that it's very huge rain
As you can see, it's very huge rain. So we are heading home, and as you can see, it's really
Yeah.
rainy. And this is also the shops. This is the part of the
Yeah, this
market.
is the part of the market which is selling the the cloth. Yeah, and then the yeah, you see on the right, on the left side is people saying the cloth for kabaya, for sarung. Yeah, so this is how it is in Denpasar nowadays. It's a very big rain. Yeah, you see the complex of the clothes, and then also the complex of jewelry. As you see over there, also people selling gold. Now we are heading home. It's flood already. Lucky that we have a car.
Jimmy is the best.
Yeah. Nowadays the weather in Bali is just like unpredictable.
It was really
It was
hot.
hot in the morning, and then in the afternoon will be big rain, thunder. Look at the rain. So big rain and thunder. So we are heading to home. As you see before, when we arrived, showing you how Basel busy, hustle and bustle life in Denpasar. Now already big rain.
But still
Just
busy.
literally 5 minutes, half hour ago. Yeah, it was a big I think that's all our video today, guys. Thank you for watching. We are wet.
I'm wet actually.
We have to go home soon, otherwise we'll get sick.
Masuk angin karaoke.
Alright, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See ya, take care.
Bye.